Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Charity should be of the best possessions. Obeisances should be with admitting the limit in the worshipper to express. Marriage should not be with an inferior. Suffering is caused by a spouse being upon the contrary in religion. One shouldn't marry who is unrepentant of illicit sexual intercourse. Some will conquer for better through silence and other restraint. It's generally the way to counteract acts of war with the like. Turn away from the immodesty you witness. Wars against the disbelievers is to curb their violence and other violations. It is not just that we have qualities, but that we attain means lawfully in a spiritual sense. Those who use government to violate the rights of people are like those who destroy 10 of their own generations. And those who do by themselves are like those who waste 3 generations. The false prophets will be exposed. Even the spiritual hierarchy uses central places. Scripture should be with careful measure and pronunciation. Holidays are important times for visits with family. Any means should be used to develop devotion. One should touch water before meditation rituals. The sent ones will have all the knowledge of human society that is needed for their task. Some rituals have societal prerequisites. Rajasura, the king's sacrifice, has a preparation of ritual, drink, vehicle, drive, weapons firing, cattle raid, and property given to one whose cow was taken. Priestly divination, enthroning and representation of cosmic regeneration. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.